Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of my Slater bike machine. So I've been riding for Slater for about 5 years, and they allowed me to help them design this frame for street riding called the Machine. Finally got it nice and built up the way I like it. Looking forward to putting a lot of time in on it this year. This summer is going to be the summer of Slater Bikes. Today I'm going to be filming my Slater bike check. Pretty excited about it. Pretty cold outside. I've been riding for Slater for about 5 years and helped them design this frame, which was really cool. Since I've never been able to do a thing like that, I kind of went off the deep end and I did everything I ever thought would be awesome for a frame like this. I made this as close to a BMX bike as I could think of because I grew up on a BMX bike. I wanted to help kind of blend the world of the dirt jump bikes and BMX street bikes. Pump the tires up and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so got the tires pumped up, everything's tight. We're going to pack up, head downtown. It's about a 30 to 40 minute drive from here. We're going to meet up with my friend Chris from Boise Media Works. We're going to have lots of different cameras, hopefully a drone today. And we're going to ride a little bit, try to see if we can do a couple of sweet tricks on this bike, give you a rundown of everything I have on the bike, the history of the bike, how it got built, and things like that. And we're thinking about going to get some tacos and riding some street. So today's going to be a good day. I'll see you guys downtown. Are you filming right now? Just going? Sweet tuck and roll.
Yeah, did you learn that from a YouTube video about crashing?
I made a video that taught
how
myself
to
how to crash better, yeah. And then I did it. Oh. So this bike is full chromoly 4130, and it has a straight steer head tube, integrated headset, custom powder coated by 503 BMX. You could see all the nice little hints, the little skulls in the paint. I really appreciate all the powder coating that 503 BMX does. So everything else on this bike was put together by 503 BMX. They hand built the wheels for me, which was really cool because it's a BMX hub set laced to a 36-hole, 26-inch rim. So it's a really unique wheel set, and it's been super bomb-proof and super strong, and I I've been loving it this whole time. So this is actually a Slater fork. Part of the reason I'm riding this bike fully rigid is because we did want to throw this fork through the test. I've had this fork for quite some time. It's been perfectly awesome. It's just like a BMX fork, just a little bit bigger. I got this NS District handlebar because it has a 22.2 diameter, which allows me to run a BMX top load stem. So it gives me that nice BMX feel that I have for my BMX bike, and it keeps the bars nice and tall as well. You could still totally ride this bike as a dirt jumper. I just have it built right now as a solid, rigid, brakeless, smooth tire street bike. All in all, I really like how this bike feels. It bunny hops good, it manuals good, it feels just like a BMX bike. It's nice and tight, it's nice and light, and hopefully we can put together a full-length video part this summer, so look forward to that.
When somebody filming and they do tricks, you shut up.